Hello everyone, I'm Angie Zalastowski and I'm coming to you from Virginia Beach, Virginia. Right now we are going to prep our creamy garlic chicken. So I've already taken my 4 servings of chicken breasts and cleaned them and cut all the white parts off of them. If you haven't, that's no problem. What you can do is hit pause on the video and go ahead and clean your chicken. If you have, we're just going to go ahead and put them right in the bag. I labeled one of my bags with week 1 and it says creamy garlic chicken right on it. And again, this is going to be 4 servings, so they're nice sized chicken breasts that will serve our family. I'm going to zip it up, take all the air out of it. Air is not our friend in the freezer. So we're just going to take that all, and that's one of the bags that's now going to be done. That was a simple step. We have one bag that has 4 chicken breasts in it. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to have a bowl and we are going to combine either sour cream or non-fat Greek yogurt and some Parmesan cheese in our spices. I am trying to make this a little Weight Watcher friendly, and so I am using the 0% milk fat-free Fage Greek yogurt. And so you're going to need 3/4 cup. I don't know why measuring cups often don't come with a 3/4 cup, because I feel like oftentimes that's a measurement that you need. But I'm lucky, I have a measuring cup that does have a line inside. So even though this says 1 cup or looks like 1 cup to you guys, on the inside I do have a 3/4 line. So I can measure that out. So we're gonna take 3/4 cup of the non-fat Greek plain yogurt and put that into a bowl. And then I'm going to take 3/4 cup of shredded Parmesan and put that into a bowl as well. So on here, I just did my measuring again. That 3/4 cup line is measured for me with a black line so that I can easily see it. Just with my liquid measurer. I'm spilling a little bit on my counter. And grated shredded parm is what this calls for. That is different than grated Parmesan, so you want to look, it's a little not as fine as grated Parmesan. We're going to mix that right in with our yogurt or sour cream if you're using sour cream. And next we're going to have our seasoning. So today we're going to use our onion and our seasoned salt. For the onion, you need 1 tablespoon. And some of you might know 1 tablespoon is half of our capful. So you don't even need to dirty a spoon. You can just measure that. And for the seasoned salt, you're going to use half of a teaspoon. So the seasoned salt was not part of our ordering. So if you do not have Tastefully Simple seasoning salt, you should get it on your next order. Or you can just use any seasoning salt that you have in your house. I, of course, live by our Tastefully Simple seasoned salt, so I have that in my house. But if you do not, any seasoning salt would be a good option to mix in this. So now what I'm going to do is just stir this all together. So again, we have 3/4 cup sour cream or yogurt, 3/4 cup Parmesan cheese that is shredded, 1 tablespoon garlic, and half of a teaspoon of seasoned salt. And we're going to place this into another bag. So I do have another bag that is labeled with creamy garlic chicken. I'm going to show you a little tip that I use. I grab a glass and I open my bag and I put it right in there and kind of fold the top over it so it's not going to spill. So now when I put this in here, it's going to be much easier to go right to the bottom of the bag. I'm not going to have it, hopefully, all over the bag. It's not going to tip over and spill. And it makes putting the, whatever it is, I'm putting the liquid usually, or in this case, the creamy mixture, makes it much easier, and so it won't spill at all. And then you take it, and it's already there. Again, you're going to want to get that air out of the bag. I press it against me. You can roll it up. You just want to make sure there's no air in there. So now we have 2 bags, one with our garlic creamy mixture, one with our chicken, and we're going to place them in a 3rd bag, which I already have labeled, week 1, creamy garlic chicken. You're going to place this in here. You're going to seal it up. You're going to make sure all of that air is out and your meal is ready to go into your freezer. When you're ready to cook this, you're gonna take it and thaw it out. You're gonna place it in a baking dish. You're gonna put your chicken down, your creamy mixture on top. Then depending on the size of your chicken breast will affect how long you're gonna cook it. It's usually going to be about 20 to 30 minutes. If you wanna use a food thermometer, you can. I usually just cut mine open and check it out. And then right when it's almost finished, you can put it under the broiler and so it gets bubbly brown for a little bit for you. Creamy garlic